Hello, my name is Samantha Roldan and my partner is Vianey Uresti. Our research project was on water and soil quality. To begin with, we will start with the background. The purpose of the study is to identify the pH of the water in different creeks in Laredo, Texas. Indeed, we collected soil samples near the water, which was essential for the research in order to test for soil's pH variability and compare the water quality pH to soil quality. Soil samples were also collected near the water of the river. The Rio Grande is the main water source for Laredo, Texas. Objectives. The water quality and soil quality are essential aspects for maintaining the ecosystem and environment clean and safe from all pollution. The following sites were used for this research: Chacon Creek, Zacate Creek, and the Rio Grande. These were all the sites we tested on different dates. The community should contribute to prevent trash dumping in all sites to prevent contamination to soil quality and water quality. It is essential to understand that the main water source of Laredo, Texas is the Rio Grande. So our water system should remain clean and safe from all contaminations like trash dumping. Soil quality contributed with water quality due to the water's capacity of developing growth in plants or other crops.
Materials and methods. Lamar low-cost water monitoring kit was used to help examine the water samples for variety tests such as nitrates, dissolved oxygen, phosphates, and pH. We inserted capsules into the tubes with the water in the tube and inverted the tube several times until the capsule dissolved in the water, then analyzed each tube according to a scale provided in the monitoring kit. The Lamont NPK soil kit was used to collect and test the soil samples from different sites. This will help by monitoring the pH levels of each water quality test and soil quality test obtained from different locations. Performing other tests to form a better conclusion on common pollutants in the area will also be part of the study. Water quality results. As seen in the table, we tested Chacon Creek at 8:30 a.m., Rio Grande River at 10 a.m., and Zacate Creek at 11:30 a.m. The pH we obtained from this was equal throughout all the sites, which was alkaline at a pH of 8. Soil quality results. As you can see, we tested the soil quality at the same time we tested the water quality. The pH we obtained from Chacon Creek is neutral, which is 7. Rio Grande River was slightly acidic at a 6.5, and Zacate Creek was acidic at a pH of 6. And you can see the different other tests we tested that day.
Image 1 was taken at Chacon Creek. By viewing this image, you can observe that trash dumping is a main issue in this creek, which you can view water bottles, clothes, and other plastic items, which affects our water and soil quality. Image 2 was taken also at Chacon Creek. We collected this sample by water and soil and mixed it, and this is the result of the soil within the tube. Image 3, it was taken in Rio Grande River, which determines the turbidity test. We collected a water sample in the container, and this is the following result. Image 4 was taken at Chacon Creek. We also tested for turbidity. We collected a water sample, and this is the result for Chacon Creek. You can view that image 3 and image 4 are different results from one another.
Conclusion. Although we were able to obtain water and soil quality samples and test the water and soil quality from Zacate Creek, Chacon Creek, and the Rio Grande, we were not able to test the temperature of the water, and that is important to obtain the dissolved oxygen saturations, which will tell us if life is sustainable in these bodies of water. From what we observed, the pH from the water and soil tests different greatly due to the acidity of the soil pH and the alkalinity of the water pH. The similarities occurring between the variables were tested, and it was discovered that they were independent of each other. The research should continue to discover if there is any relationship between the variables. We would like to thank Dr. Nora Garza, Vice President of the Resource Development and External Affairs, Rosemary Agüero Riojas, LEAPS Project Director, Celinda Martinez, Faculty Mentor, Daniela Castro, Student Mentor, Gabriela Solis Cavazos, Undergraduate Research Coordinator, funded by the Hispanic Serving Institute Title III STEM Articulation Title III LEAPS Award Number P031C160115. Thank you for your attention.